Good morning, innovation. I am Mr. Roussel. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history in 1951, the first seedless watermelon had been developed at Purdue University. It was round and weighed up to 8 to 10 pounds. It could be seen on sale in parts of the country that year. In 1959, the first man-made object, Luna 2, crash-landed on the moon, becoming the first man-made object to reach the moon in what many called the space race between the world's two superpowers of the United States and the Soviet Union. As well, on this day in 1998, Microsoft became the biggest company in the world after just 23 years, being valued at $261 billion on the New York Stock Exchange, finally beating General Electric in valuation. Our quote of the day comes from Pele. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, a love of what you are doing. We've got some important news this week. What you can expect: in-person instruction is going to begin Monday, September 21st, and attendance is mandatory for all classes at each of the scheduled times. So if you're not joining us in person, we're going to make sure that attendance is mandatory for each of those classes. This is the last week to complete all of your RenStar tests. If you're in 6th and 7th grade, that is your math and your reading if you have not done it already. If you're in 8th grade, you still have to finish that reading if you have not. You will be receiving scores and goals next week so that you have them for the remainder of the year. As well, if you missed the parade of prizes last Friday, there's another week. So be sure to stay on top of your kickboard points. Remember, we have those parade of prizes every other week. So if you didn't get your shirt, make sure you're getting those kickboard dollars and making sure you're doing what you need to do in your classes. Also, this week, you'll be completing all synchronous learning between the hours of 8:30 and 12 o'clock. So use the time after 12 to complete all of your RenStar, your ST Math, your AR Zone, and those class assignments. Do not use that extra time to waste. We've got some birthdays this week. Today, let's celebrate Miss Pam Jr., born today, as well as Jason Garcia and Kenya Bennett. Happy birthday, guys. If you see them in your classes, give them a shout out. Let's see what's for breakfast and lunch. Today's breakfast is an egg and cheese sandwich, and lunch is a barbecue rib sandwich with coleslaw. Our core value of the week is no excuses. Sign in early for all of your classes, so if you have internet trouble, you can let teachers know. Distance learning is extremely tough, so you have to be proactive to ensure you're giving yourself the best chance of success. Remember, Mr. Roussel knows you can do it. I know that it's tough, but I want my scholars to rise to the occasion. Have a great day, Inferno.